Perched on a crumbling hilltop, this ghost town looks like a scene from a movie. Welcome to Craco, Italy, abandoned after devastating landslides and earthquakes in the 1960s. Time pauses here. Its stone towers, narrow alleys, and medieval buildings remain eerily intact. Hollywood couldn't resist its charm, filming scenes from The Passion of the Christ and more here. Craco is now empty yet iconic, a haunting symbol of beauty and collapse. Want more tales of ghost towns where history echoes? Subscribe for stories written in stone.